So today we're going to discuss on traveling salesman problem with use of dynamic programming. In traveling salesman problem, we have a matrix 4 cross 4 matrix. In this 4 cross 4 matrix, we are just having the matrix named as A. So we are having 4 rows and 4 columns. So rows are denoted as 1, 2, 3, 4. The same way columns we are having 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And we are not having any self loop for the particular vertex. So this is considered as first vertex, second vertex, third vertex, and fourth vertex. The same way here also in the column wise also we are making the vertex. So with use of this vertex we are plotting the graph. Okay. So here in the graph we are having four vertex 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there is no self loop between 1 to 1, so that we are putting 0. There is no self loop between 2 to 2, so that we are putting 0. 3 to 3 also there is no self loop, so that we are putting 0. 4 to 4 also we are putting 0 because there is no self loop. Next to that, when we are starting from 1, we are having path to 2, we are having path to 3, we are having path to 4, so that we are making from 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 we are making. Keep in mind all the edges are bidirectional edges. All the edges in TSP are traveling salesman problem are bidirectional edges, so that from the particular node you can able to reach all the nodes. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 you can able to reach. The same way from 2 you can able to reach 1, 4 and 3. From 3 you can reach 1, 2 and 4. So 3 to 1, 3 to 2, 3 to 4 are possible. From 4 you can able to reach 1, 2 and 3. Okay, these are the possible ways we can able to go. And further, when we are moving further, we are plotting the tree. We are just plotting the tree from the given graph. So how we are plotting the tree? We are taking one as the root node. One we are taking root node. So one already taken. What are all three remaining nodes? 2, 3 and 4 are the three remaining nodes that we are putting 2, 3 and 4. So one we are taking as a root node, 2, 3, 4 we are taking as a first sub node, because after 1 we have left out 2, 3 and 4 that we are writing as a sub node. When we are taking 2, 1 already taken, 2 already taken, so remaining is 3 and 4 that we are making as sub node for 2. So 3 and 4 we are making. The same way, 1 already taken, 3 already taken, we have 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are the sub nodes. Okay. The same way, 1 and 4 we already taken. We have putting sub nodes as 2 and 3, because 1 and 4 already taken. The remaining 2 nodes are 2 and 3 that we are putting here. The same way, via this node from 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, the missing node is 4 that we are putting as a leaf node here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 we are making. The same case, 1, 2, 4 already taken. So remaining is 3 that we are putting as a leaf node. 1 we are putting as a root node, 3, 2, 4. So 1, 3, 2, 4 we are making 4 as a leaf node. So 1, 3, 4 here. The remaining is 2 that we are putting as a leaf node. When you are seeing the last one, 1, 4, 2 taken. The remaining is 3 that we are putting as a leaf node. This side, 1, 4, 3. The remaining is 2 that we are putting as a leaf node. So this way we are representing the entire graph. The entire graph what we are putting, that we are representing in this way. Okay. Now let's see how we are filling these values. Okay. So from the leaf node 4 to reach 1. From the leaf node 4 to reach 1, what is the cost? Okay. So from leaf node 4 to 1, we have to see in the table, see in the matrix table. So 4 to 1, the value is 8. So 8 we are filling in this place. So 4 to 1 is 8. So 3 to 1. 3 to 1, what is the value? 6. 3 to 1, that is 6. So 6 we are filling. Then again 4 to 1, already we know that is 8. 2 to 1, 2 to 1 when you are seeing, that is 5. 5 we are filling here. 3 to 1, 3 to 1, that is 6. 3 to 1 that is 6 that we are filling here. 2 to 1 that is 5 already we know, we already filled, so 5 we are putting. So this is at the leaf node values what we are seeing here. So leaf node values for 4, for the leaf node 4 the value is 8, for leaf node 3 the value is 6, for leaf node 4 again we are already calculated that is 8, for 2 that is 5, for 3 that is 6, for 2 again that is 5. So this way we are making. Okay, next to this we are moving for the next subnode, that is first level subnode we are making. So for making this first level subnode, what we are doing, we are calculating the distance from the node to the leaf node and from the leaf node to the one. So that calculation already we done. So from 3 we have to reach 1. So from 3 how we will reach 1? 3 to 4 then 4 to 1. So 4 to 1 already we calculated, that is 8. That has to be added with 3 to 4 distance. So 3 to 4 what is the value? 3 to 4 the value is 12. So 12 plus 8 we are putting here. Next 4 to 3 what is the distance? 4 to 3 that is 9. 4 to 3 when you are seeing the value is 9. So 9 plus 6 we are putting. 2 to 4. 2 to 4 what we are doing? 2 to 4 the value is 10. 2 to 4 the value is 10. So 10 plus 8. So 8 is the calculation from 4 to 1 that we are adding here. 4 to 2. 4 to 2 what is the value? 4 to 2 the value is 8. So 8 plus 5 we are doing. So 4 to 2 the value is 8. 8 plus 5 we are doing. Then again 2 to 3. 2 to 3 value is 9. 9 plus 6. 2 to 3 the value is 9. 9 plus 6 we are putting. Then 3 to 2. 3 to 2 what is the value? 3 to 2 the value is 13. 13 plus 5 we are doing here. Okay. So this what the middle layer we are identified the values. Okay, above the leaf nodes what and all the values we are having, that we identified the values. Okay, next what we are doing, actually this node above or down to the root node, this particular node we going to identify the values. When you are taking 2 we have two paths, via 2 to 3 we have one path, via 2 to 4 we have one path. The same way all the nodes 3 also having two paths, that is it to be 3 to 2 and 3 to 4. When you are taking 4 we are having two paths, that is it to be 4 to 2 and 4 to 3. Okay, so how we are doing the calculation, we have to take from 2 to 3. 2 to 3 means 2 to 3 what is the distance? So 2 to 3 the distance is 9. So 9 plus from 3 to 1, 3 to 1 already we calculated, that is 12 plus 8 20. So 9 plus 20 we are putting. So 9 plus 20 via 2 to 3, the answer is 9 plus 20. 2 to 4. So 2 to 4 what is the distance actually? 2 to 4 the distance calculated is 10. So 10 plus 15. So 10 plus 15 we are doing. So 2 to 4 that is 10. So here that is 15. So what is 15? 9 plus 6 we are having, no, that is 15 we are putting here. Next via 3 we have two ways, 3 to 2 and 3 to 4. So 3 to 2 what the value we are putting? 13 plus 18. So 3 to 2 the distance is 13. 3 to 2 the distance is 13. 13 plus 18. So what is 18? 10 plus 8 we are having here, no, that is 18. So another way, 3 to 4. 3 to 4 what we are having? The distance from 3 to 4 is 3 to 4 that is 12. 12 plus 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 that is 13. So 12 plus 13 we are putting here. Via 4 there are two ways, again 4 to 2. 4 to 2 8 plus 15. 9 plus 6 15. 8 plus 15 we are putting. 4 to 3 what is the distance? 4 to 3 we are having the distance is 9. So 4 to 3 if you see the distance that is 9. So 9 plus 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5 is 18. So 9 plus 18. Okay. So this way we are calculating the layer down to the root layer node values, we are calculating like this. Let's move for the root node now. So root node we have three options, via 2, via 3 and via 4 we have three options. How we going to calculate this? So from 1 to 2, 1 to 2 we are having 10. So 10 plus 25. 1 to 3 we are having 15. 15 plus 25. 1 to 4 we are having 20. The distance 1 to 4, that is 20 plus 23. So here before going to that we put 25, 25, we put 25, 25, 23 here. So we put 25, 25, 23 here. How we made that? So 9 plus 20 here, this way 2 to 3, that is 9 plus 20. When you are going to 2 to 4 we are having 10 plus 15. So among these two, which is the least one, we have to check. Among these two, the least one is 10 plus 15, that is 25. Among these two, 13 plus 18, 12 plus 13. Among these two, the least one is 25 because 12 plus 13 is the least. 8 plus 15, 9 plus 18. In among these two, 23 is the least. Okay. So 8 plus 15 is the least one. Okay. So we are putting the least values as a node values. Now these node values are taken for the calculation. So 1 to 2 distance is 10, 10 plus 25 we are putting for first. 1 to 3 the distance is 15, 15 plus 25 we are putting second. 1 to 4 the distance is 20, 20 plus 23 we are putting. So these three values we are putting here. Okay. So the starting vertex will have all three edge values. Now among these three, which is the least value we have to identify. Among these three, 35 is the least value. 10 plus 25 is the least value. Which edge gives 10 plus 25? The first edge. So 1 to 2 gives the least value. When you are taking 1 to 3, that is comes 15 plus 25, that is 40. That is greater value. When you are taking 1 to 4, that comes 40. So these are also greater value. Okay. So 1 to 2, 1 to 2, what the value we are having, that is the least value. So that we are taking here. So 1 to 2, we are taking 10 plus 25. 10 plus 25, that is 35 we are taking. So that part we are selecting. When we are reaching to which path is lesser value, which path, whether we have to go 2 to 3 or 2 to 4 we have to go, that we have to decide. When you are taking 2 to 3, the value is 29. When you are taking 2 to 4, the value is 25. Okay. So we are just moving from 2 to 4. Okay. So 29 is greater than 25, so that we are selecting the 2 to 4 path. After reaching 4, there is only one path exists, so that no need to compare any value. Directly we are going from 4 to 3. Okay. Then again 3 to 1. That is the last path. So 1, 2, 4, 3. So these are the paths we are having. So 1, 2, 4, 3, again 1 we are going. So this is the traveling salesman problem cycle. So with use of this, we identified all the values in the tree. So let's see the formula. The same way we're going to solve, and we will verify the answer with the tree answer. So let's see the formula. The formula is written as, we are having totally 4 nodes, so that it can be written as g of 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 3 subnodes we are having, equal to min of c of ik plus g of k, 2, 3, 4 minus k. So k belongs to 2, 3, 4. So these three values are k values. G of I comma s equal to min of k belongs to s, c of ik plus g of k comma s minus k. So this is the formula that is written from the previous one. Here we expanded the formula. Here they given in the form of variables I comma x. I is the root node, s will be the set of nodes. Okay, so let's see how we going to start the formula. So we are applying the formula for the leaf nodes. So for leaf node 2 the value is 5, for 3 the value is 6, for 4 the value is 8. No, how we are identifying g of 2 comma pi. 2 comma pi means from 2 to reach 1, the value is 5 that we are writing here. G of 3 comma pi, that is mean by from 3 to 1. 3 to 1, the value is 6 that we are writing here. From 4 to 1, g of 4 comma pi. 4 comma pi means 4 to 1. 4 to 1, the value is 8 that we are writing here. So this 3 we written from the formula. So this is next level. Next level what we are taking? We are taking from 3 to 4. So they are started from 2. Let's start from 2 only. So 2 comma 3. First 2 comma 3, then 2 comma 4. G of 2 comma 3, what is the value? G of 2 comma 3 is 9 plus 6, that is 15. G of 2 comma 3 is 15. G of 2 comma 4, G of 2 comma 4, what we are getting? 10 plus 8, 18. G of 2 comma 4 is 18. G of 3 comma 2, G of 3 comma 2, what we are writing actually? 3 comma 2, here it's there, 3 comma 2, so 13 plus 5. So 13 plus 5, that is 18 again. 3 of G of 3 comma 2. G of 3 comma 4, G of 3 comma 4, what we are getting actually? That is 12 plus 8, that is 20. G of 4 comma 2, G of 4 comma 2, what we are getting actually? That is 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5, we are getting 13. Okay. G of 4 comma 3, the last one, 4 comma 3, we are getting 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6, that is 15. Okay. Next, what we are writing? G of 2 comma 3 comma 4. 2 comma 3 comma 4 mean by this one. 2 is the root node and 3 comma 4 are the subnodes. 3 comma 4 are the subnodes. 2 comma 3 comma 4, that are the subnodes. So what is the value for that? That is 25. That is 25. 3 of 2 comma 4. 3 is the root node. 2 comma 4 are the subnodes. For that, what is the answer? 25. 25 we are writing here. G of 4 comma 2 comma 3. 4 comma 2 comma 3. 4 is the root node. 2 comma 3 are the subnodes. The answer is 23. Okay. Answer is 23. So finally, we are moving for the root node. So root node, what is the value? We are having three options. One is 1 comma 1 comma 2, 2 having two subnodes 3 comma 4, that we are writing here. That we are expanding like this. How we are expanding? C of 1 2, 1 2 plus G of 2 comma 3 comma 4. Another one is C of 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 it will go. So 1 comma 3, 3 comma 2 comma 4, and C of 1 comma 4, 4 comma 2 comma 3. So that are the three split ups we are having. All three ways, all the three edges from 1. So that values we are adding here. So 10 plus 25, 15 plus 25, 20 plus 23 we are doing. So in this, among these three, the least one is 35 that we are taking as a answer. So 10 plus 25, 35, 15 plus 25, that is 40, 20 plus 23, that is also 43. So among these three, the least is 35 that we are taking as answer. Okay. So the path what we identified is 1 2 4 3. This is the path what we identified. So that what we are we made in the form of formula. So I hope you understand this traveling salesman problem. Thank you very much.